Welcome and what is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today, as you can see, my portfolio is down and everything I earned yesterday has been basically taken away. Unfortunately, that's what happened, but I'm planning on improving this actually a lot and pausing the challenge. But before we even talk about that, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe if you guys enjoy my videos and uploads and enjoy the challenge that I'm currently doing. So, starting off with the video, so honestly, the thing I really want to do is not worry about making it big right now and going with the challenge where I'm supposed to be up like around, I don't know, like 20% so far or 30% so far. But right now, I just want to focus on regaining my balance again since I got like a little bit messed up and imbalanced with DWT because I lost control of the situation. And now I'm back at it right here. I'm looking at DWT and it looks like it could either go down or up right now. It could go, crude oil could go up to its resistance, meaning that DWT can fall down still. But it can bounce up because it previously bounced back up around the same area where it is right now. So, seeing this, I actually just want to sell my DWT at a decent price. I don't need to earn what I spent on it back. I just want to get rid of it. And then in the long term, just looking at UWT, it's on an uptrend pattern. Consistent uptrend pattern. I'd rather be investing in this than in DWT because even if I miss like one of the cycles to sell off, the next cycle like in a week, the price is going to be even higher where the last resistance was. So there's no like minus side on holding it if you accidentally forget to sell or like you don't have the time to sell or you don't even see the chance to sell. Unlike with DWT where I didn't see the chance to sell and it just ended up taking a lot of my portfolio out of the game. So basically, out of my Robinhood portfolio. So basically, what I'd rather do is invest more in UWT more aggressively. But DWT, if I do see the opportunity, I would put in no more than like 5 to 10 shares. Not like I did right here, put in 17 shares. So I just want to dial it down with DWT. Because it's just been proving, it's on a downtrend. Everyone has to admit it. And it's heading downward and those aren't the best stocks to trade, especially because if you don't get out at the best time, then you'll have some trouble with it. So basically, moving on from there, I'm holding TVIX right here. Today I had a pretty good day, a pretty good spike, and it ended up coming back to where it started during the day. It's around break even right now. And I think I see the stock market's actually going to start reversing, going downward, but I'm not 100% sure of it. But if it does happen, then TVIX is providing a huge opportunity, and for sure I can get ahead of my goals even if I were to continue them. But before I talk about the goals and stuff, I'd really just want to go over what stocks I sold. So I sold VHI, which I bought not that long ago for $4.11. I technically made 1 cent profit. No, I bought it and sold at the same price. So I didn't make any profit, any loss. Today started trending downward, so I see that I actually can potentially fall back down to the support because looking at the RSI chart on more in-depth charts, it's creating a double top pattern with the RSI indicator. So I want to get out of that position as soon as possible, and I did, and I avoided a little bit of a loss. And the third stock that I was holding, what was I even holding? I can't remember. Oh yeah, Crocs. Crocs I sold because tomorrow it has its earnings date. Tomorrow's its earnings date, Thursday in the morning, I'm pretty sure. And I wanted to get out of the position just in case something bad does end up happening with it. I want to just stay out of it because I can't technically really predict this. It's mostly up to chance. You can have some indicators like it's probably going to push the price up or it's probably going to push the price down. But you can never be 100% certain until they release it. So I sold my Crocs at a pretty decent profit, but I only had 1 share anyway. So I sold it for like a 33-cent profit, which was like 1%. Not bad. It's always a profit, and I just want to stay away, and then I might invest back into it after the earnings date and everything about the earnings and like the earnings news is over with. Then I'll consider buying back in. But right now, all I'm doing is trying to find the best time to sell out on my DWT and just waiting for TVIX to reverse. Maybe it wasn't the best idea to buy it before it started reversing, but I saw a little bit of a fake out, and I ended up buying right there on TVIX. So basically, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. And, oh, sorry, about the goals. So I have had goals to make 5% every week. It's been going well until like the last 2 weeks, which I completely just destroyed my account because of DWT. Well, it didn't completely destroy it, but like I went back to making $1 profit technically. So right now I'm almost at break even, and I want to start all over again. Once I balance it out with the DWT, I don't want to be like stressed out about the goals. Like, oh, I have to make $60 this month. How am I gonna do it? So I'd rather just stay consistent and start from scratch. I know it might be annoying for you guys. I hope it's not annoying, but I'm gonna do whatever it takes just to gain experience and knowledge, so that when I do have a larger sum of money, I don't mess it up. Like right here with options, if I put in like, I don't know, a lot more, I could have messed up my whole account. But I it's still a big sum of money. I messed up the original starting amount. So right here, I think I just want to focus on stabilizing my portfolio by getting rid of DWT and possibly just waiting for TVIX. It's not a big hazard right now, but mostly DWT because it's on a downtrend. And then I'll start my challenge back up again. But right now, I just want to steer clear from that, and I don't want to be like disrupted and interfered by that. And yeah, that's basically what I want to say. I don't want to like push too hard and like start getting interested into maybe penny stocks and end up just destroying my account again. I don't want to do that. I want to stick with what I know best. And lesson learned from all this is from DWT is cut losses quickly. Even though it went down like 8% overnight, that's better to lose 8% than to lose 17, if you know what I'm saying. So I think I'd rather just cut my losses quick, even if they're pretty big losses. I need to learn to cut my losses quick, and that's a lesson that you should all learn if you haven't learned that yet. Cut your losses quickly and then let your winners run. So that's basically going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic week.